What if I told you that just a quarter acre of strawberries could earn you up to 420,000 Kenyan shillings per season, with harvests every 90 days? Strawberries were once considered a luxury in Kenya, but today demand is surging. Urban consumers are choosing smoothies over sodas, and hotels, cafes, and bakeries require fresh strawberries daily. And exporters are flying berries to markets in Qatar, the UAE, and Europe, all at premium prices. One major hotel in Nairobi needs over 100 kilograms of strawberries each week, yet their supplier only manages 40 kilograms. That gap? It's a clear opportunity. Let's look at the numbers. A quarter-acre farm can produce 800 to 1,200 kilograms of strawberries per season. That's up to 420,000 Kenyan shillings in gross income within just 3 to 4 months. And startup costs range from 150,000 Kenyan shillings to 300,000 Kenyan shillings. This covers land preparation, drip irrigation, certified seedlings, and, if needed, a professional farm manager. It's a smart investment for strong returns. Take Peter, for example, a banker based in Nairobi. With no prior farming experience, he leased 1 acre of land in Isinya and partnered with a vetted local manager. In under 100 days, his farm delivered its first harvest, managed remotely from the city. Don't own land? Fincare Investments provides lease-ready plots with irrigation systems, high-quality seedlings, and trained supervisors. It's ideal for busy professionals and Kenyans in the diaspora. Smart investors also focus on value addition. Turning strawberries into jam, dried snacks, or juice can more than triple your profits compared to selling raw fruit. It's a way to reduce waste and increase your margins. Strawberries are fast, profitable, and ready for export. In 2025, they stand out as one of Kenya's most exciting agribusiness opportunities. You're looking for a sustainable, high-demand crop to grow? This is it. Click the link in the description to read the full blog, or send us a message to book your strawberry plot today.